back to Pune. So it was an amazing experience at the Rostu workshop. As for every workshop, I tried to create a kind of vlog. So this is kind of like the same thing. I have not fixed what I'm going to say, but it will be an experience sharing from my end. So for the Rostu workshop, this time I did it on the hardware. Every time I tried to make some new things. So this time as well I tried out some more things, but right now I am having my flight at Pune. So just I'm trying to get for it. So let's see how it goes. But the thing is, for this Rostu workshop I was able to create new connections with the all the students, and also meet new people, and of course the professor of the college. The workshop was actually at Andhra, so I had to cross the state as well. So likewise was my experience. Yeah, I will be sharing more insights too regarding the workshop details. So we will get on that part as well. So please stay tuned for it. But the most important point is regarding how we can make the maximum benefit out of it. Just a minute. So actually I was with the security check-in, so that's why it took a long time. But anyways, I was talking about what I learned from this particular Rostu workshop is that I am focusing on the technical aspect of Rostu. We did the hardware stuff, and also I got to interact with the students, that's for sure. But the very important point is you guys also have to focus on the non-technical side, because I have observed that many of the engineers, not only about robotics, focus more on the technical aspect rather than the non-technical as well, because companies are going to recruit you based on your skills, not only how you code or else how you select the component for your robot. It also depends how you communicate and how you deliver your idea and solution, how you can solve that particular problem. It depends on these things also. I'm not saying technical things are not important, but equally treat non-technical things as well. So that's very important. And this workshop was very good. I got to do some fun activities with the students. And why I'm recording this particular video, just in order to share my experience with the Rostu workshop that I do in general. So that's the only reason. I'm also getting bored at the airport, that's one more point. So I just thought to record a video, like not the airport journey, something like that, just about the workshop experience, how I made it, and likewise. But yeah, that's the thing. Rostu workshop is not only about the technical thing, but it's overall how we can build our own profile, and how we can try to learn. Even I get to learn from the students and the professors. So yeah, that's the thing. If you have any doubts or anything to discuss, please let me know in the comments. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, grow, learn, and explore together.